Hey, is Mntwana waban. Hey, you can follow me or you can inquire my service anytime at my Instagram, Mntwana underscore wabantu, small letter, Mntwana underscore wabantu. Also, you can email me at, you must write everything small letter, not capital letter, right? Mntwana wabantu at gmail.com. Feel free, Mntwana wabantu at gmail.com for my email. But you can also direct and follow me on Instagram, Mntwana underscore wabantu, right? Feel free anytime if you have any query or you have some serious business, right? Only for serious people, right? Don't just message me for a second. All right, let's get started. So we have a question here. After this video, you're gonna be able to solve this question right here, this question right here, this question right here within 10 minutes. Now let's say here, let's read this question. They say Aziz is planning to attend college when she graduates from the high school 4 years from now. Oh, 4 years from now. So a time which is represented by letter N equal to 4. Okay. She has made arrangement with her father to the household if her dad deposit this amount. Oh, so only if her dad deposit this amount. So for now, we don't know. So let's just say, oh, that's amount. Okay. At the end of every 6 months, okay, I always say, whenever they mention the word, because up here, you don't know which type of formula you're going to use. But the moment they say at the end of every, this word every is very powerful in this question. Whenever they mention the word every week, every month, means you're going to be depositing, means you put the money every 1 week, mean, let's say, or every year, or every, you want to attend a certain goal. Attain a certain goal. Or let's say you have a money and then you withdraw the money every month or every week or every year. As long as they mention that word every, it does not matter how, but and then the time must be fixed, not 2 months and then you withdraw 1 month or you deposit 1 month. If you do every same time of period of time, then you have to know either you're going to use future value formula or present future value formula, FV, future value, or PV, present value. So now let's see like which one we're going to use, either future value or present value. So we need to continue to read. So this value here is X. The X value, which is present, which the value which you're going to do in regular deposit equal to 3570.00. But let's continue reading. Now let's say for the next 4 years, so what time equal to 4 years, the account pays. Oh, so we have interest rate. What is the interest rate? 8.5. Okay, and then compounded semi-annual. What is semi-annual? When they say semi-annual, means how many semi in 1 year? Annual means 1 year. How many semi in 1 year? How many half in 1 year? There are 2. So M equal to 2. You understand what I'm saying? For this case, but not all the time it's going to be like semi-annual. They might say it was compounded weekly. Now you say how many weeks is 1 year? So your M is not going to be 2 no more. It was going to be 52 if it was compounded weekly. If it was compounded monthly, you say how many months in 1 year? They are 12 months. If it was compounded daily, how many days in 1 year? It's 365. So M could be 365. But for now, they didn't mention none of these. So this is not part of the equation. They just say it was compounded half annual, semi-annual. Semi-annual, how many semi in 1 year? There are 2. Now let's go. Our father pays addition of that one. Oh, onto the count for every. Oh, so it was not only that amount, no more. The father paid that amount for every amount he deposit only 3, 5. Oh no, he deposit 5 on top of that for every time he deposit. So we're gonna take that 35. We must add with 5, 5, 0. 5, 5, 5. Oh, 3.5. 3.5. My apologies. All right. So every time he deposit this amount because they say there's additional onto deposit that he made, onto this amount that I made. The fixed deposit will be made in 6 months from now. Oh, so from now, well, what they say 6 months from now? Because this amount is going to be half annual, means now 6 months and then 6 months, 6 months. Now, what do they want? They say how much money will there be in account? after Aziz paid for her college expenses means after 4 years. So we know for fact this is going to be the future value. You know why? Because this man Aziz don't have a money. Means he's planning to do this for a 6 months. The father planned to deposit the money for 6 months. So we're going to use the form of future value. The form of future value say future value equal to x, and then you say bracket 1 plus interest rate bracket, and then you must say n times m minus 1 bracket, but I forgot something here. Here in interest rate, you must divide by m, and then we divide by interest rate divided by m. That's the formula. Okay, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna plug it in. Okay, this is not too visible. I will just check it. So at the bottom, you must take also interest rate divided by m. I hope it can be seen. Let me check this before I continue. Yeah, I over m here at the bottom. I over m. Let me just look like this because I don't know if you guys can see. Is I here over m at the bottom. All right, so we can plug everything because we got all the information. So we're gonna say future value, or future value equal to future value equal means really so much. What is x? X you plus this to 35 plus. So we're gonna say instead of x, I'm gonna say 35. 70 plus 550 bracket. Now we come here, there's a bracket, bigger bracket, square bracket, bracket 1 is 1 plus. What is the I? Our interest we got 8.5. Okay, and then over what m here, m which is compounded what half annual. How many half annual? We say is 2, means that's 2 6 months in 1 year. Bracket m times n. What is the m? Our m we say equal to 2 times 4, because 4 n and m equal 2 times 4 equal to 8, because we take this one multiply by the m times n, and minus 1 close bracket that you over. Okay, take that one over. Okay, so you take that one over. So this is going to give us future value. It's another future value equal to this one here, and then we over I over m. What is I? Our equal to 8.5 percent always over m. What is the m? M equal to 2 bracket. Okay, so what we're gonna do, if you, because we use this formula here, future value equal to, that's what here it is equal to. So that means if we can plug all these calculators, going to in a calculator is going to give us future value we're looking for. Now we're going to come in a calculator and plug this value here. All right, let's plug our value. So we're going to say our future value equal to fraction. What's it mean? Fraction is fraction. Okay, now we're going to see 35 bracket 35. Okay, 35 and then 70 with plus 5 1 2 3 and then 0 bracket. Okay, let's go to the bottom. So we say face bracket, second bracket, because we just go with what we see there. Okay, we follow what we see right there. Now we'll plus and then we say bracket and then 8.5 50 percent. Go to the bottom 2 and then you come. It's kind of slow right now. Okay, let's count 4 2 and then we go close the bracket, and then we go close the bracket please. Okay, did not. Okay, close the bracket, and then we go power and then 80. They come right here, come to the right, minus 1 and then close the bracket, and then go to the bottom and they close the bracket. Now you go to the fraction. Let's say 8.5 50%. Go to the bottom, right to 2. You go to the right, and then you close the bracket. Let's get the answer. Guess which is going to be the answer? I think it's going to be the face of the last one. No, the face one. I think the face one. Okay, let's close this one. Close. Okay, now let's get it out. Let's get the answer C. Huh? Let's get answer C. Come here. Come. Oh, so the answer is going to be the face one, right? The answer is going to be the face one. Because remember, when you approximate this one here, it's going to be 86. Because this 9 is going to change, it's going to be 86. So we come here, right? We say the answer is going to be the face option here, okay? So answer is going to be the face option. After that, be saying, my beautiful family. Huh? Did you see that? Huh? So the option is the option number 1. Yeah. I told you. Easy, man. So let's hop here. You FaceTime. Make sure you follow me on Instagram, Mntwana_Bantu. With a small letter, Mntwana_Bantu. If you have any query or you want my service, you say Mntwana_Bantu@gmail.com. Do not add anything else. Don't say, oh, let me just add T, maybe. Nah, Mntwana_Bantu with a small letter @gmail.com. Okay? And for that being said, hey, follow me on Instagram because we got the program where we feed the homeless people in the brother and sisters pattern, teach them program and coding skills. For that being said, I'll see you soon. Peace and